Agilent IDP dry scroll pumps offer an integrated isolation valve, which helps prevent contamination and damage to your high vacuum instruments. In normal operation, the vacuum pump moves gas away from the vacuum chamber. If the power supply is interrupted and the pump shuts down, the pump will vent to atmosphere, allowing gas to flow in all directions, including backward toward the system. An unintended flow can contaminate the system. If the system employs a turbo pump to achieve high vacuum, the turbo pump depends upon the scroll pump to provide low pressure at the turbo pump exhaust. In normal operation, the turbo pump needs to be isolated at low pressure while the spinning rotor very gradually slows to a stop, usually requiring many minutes. If the scroll pump vents and the turbo exhaust is exposed to atmosphere, the turbo pump will face a hard shutdown. This will in some cases shorten its operating life or even cause it to fail. Agilent IDP dry scroll pumps offer an integrated isolation valve as an option. If power is shut off or interrupted, the scroll pump is vented, but gas is contained within the scroll pump and vacuum integrity is maintained at the turbo pump exhaust. The valve remains closed while the scroll pump restarts. The valve reopens once the pump has evacuated itself and pressure at the inlet is low. This typically takes 10 to 30 seconds. Here's an additional benefit of the integrated isolation valve. When a resting pump is turned on and there is low pressure above the inlet, there is an initial moment of turbulence in which gas can flow in all directions, including backward toward the vacuum system. A pump equipped with an integrated isolation valve contains the gas during startup turbulence. The valve remains closed until pumping flow has been established. Because the valve fits into the inlet itself, there is no increase in height to the inlet. To learn more about how you can prevent damage from sudden venting and protect your high vacuum chamber instruments through the use of an Agilent dry scroll pump inlet valve, contact your Agilent representative today or visit us online at agilent.com.